The one thing that sets MedPace apart from other organizations is IT here really matters. And a lot of organizations, IT is a back office function, or IT is how do we go about kind of cutting costs. Well, here we develop a custom software product called QuinTrack, which is instrumental to how we deliver on our mission as a company, and that's to develop safe and effective therapeutics.
At MedPace, I am responsible for the software development department, making sure all of our applications are developed to meet our processes and our end users' goals, and make sure we meet the strategic directives of the enterprise.
I've been at MedPace almost 14 years now. My team is responsible for testing the software applications that the MedPace software development team builds here in-house. We're also responsible for ensuring the compliance of those applications, so making sure that certain regulations from the FDA are met in those applications.
What we have to do with Inside IT is we're constantly having to innovate ourselves. There's all these advances in medical technology and medical science, and what we're doing is we're pairing that with innovations from a technology side. So that might mean IoT, artificial intelligence, the cloud, mobile technologies. And the great thing about what we do from an IT side as we continue to innovate is how do we innovate technology with the innovations in the medical space to better deliver on our mission as a company.
In the technology space, there's always something new coming down the pike. So we're always looking at what are the best ways that we can test the new technologies, what new approaches can we take, and I like to really be kept on my toes like that.
We invest significantly in individuals and significantly in training and development. One of the things that's unique here is we give every person in IT a Pluralsight license, and we actually set aside time once a week for 2 hours with a custom training plan to help develop the skills and understand where their gaps are. Twice a year, employees sit down with their manager and they understand where they are from a career development side, define goals, and then create meaningful objectives and a meaningful plan for them to achieve those goals. One of the things that we do, I think, which is a little unique for a new hire, is we actually put them through what we call our Catalyst New Hire Orientation Program. And as part of Catalyst, every new hire, so we have to train them on our business. So they go through quite a bit of training just to understand the dynamics of clinical trials. But then we put them through three-month rotations where they rotate through different project teams and they get a good feel for our business and a good feel for our team. One of the things I'm most proud of is we score and rank very highly from a diversity and inclusion standpoint. That's ethnic diversity, that's gender diversity. In fact, when I came to MedPace, a large percentage of our software developers are actually women. That's a little unique across information technology. In a lot of organizations I was before, IT might have 1 or 2 females, and they usually weren't in software development. But we've built this really strong culture that's really inclusive and really diverse. We're looking for people who are hungry, who have strong academic backgrounds, and who are willing to learn. The work that we do directly impacts our mission and directly impacts people's lives. So what gets exciting for me is that I'm able to take my experience in technology and bring it to bear in a place where it's going to make an impact.